Hindi lahat marunong magbasa. So how could they reach their students when they themselves do not know how to read? Okay. Now, we're very thankful for the large-scale assessment. Bakit? This is a research. Without a research, it's difficult for DepEd to demand budget from the national office. Di ba notice niyo sa Senate hearing, for example, sa congressional hearing, DepEd is asking for budget every year. So yung result natin, nakulela tayo sa reading, mathematics, and science, ito yung push na DepEd to demand for the budget. Okay, this is the reason why after the pandemic, we launched itong program natin, the National Learning Recovery Program. Okay, tinatawag natin NLRP. Under the National Learning Recovery Program, we have umbrella programs. One of that is the National Reading Program. Okay, we have also the National Mathematics Program. And then, we have also the National Learning Camp. Na-notice yung National Learning Camp every summer. So, on our first year of implementation, we accommodated many students, no? Meron tayong advanced students, meron tayong consolidated, yung average students, meron tayong intervention students. But lately, we just focused on the intervention program. Okay? Na ito ang nakikita ko on my personal assessment as an education program supervisor. Although I am from DepEd, but I do not see so many good with DepEd. I think there are so many reforms that we need to do. Number one, ang number one problem dito, we poured so much budget on a program that doesn't really work. Okay, just imagine, itong National Learning Camp natin, 3 years na ito, we're spending millions. And you know what? For Tacom City alone last year, we spent 1.7 million sa Tacom City alone. And we've noticed, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung impact kasi you just allowed students, for example, teaching them reading for 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Or just imagine, no? 1 whole year comparable to 2 or 3 weeks. How could we expect students to read that? And we're spending too much. So ito yung sentiments namin as education program supervisor kasi